Hey gearheads, adrenaline junkies, and anyone who loves things that go impossibly fast. Today, we're ditching the road and taking to the skies with a machine that breaks the boundaries of both luxury and performance. Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the legend at the one, the only, 2024 Lamborghini Turbo Cyberdrone. The Lamborghini Turbo Cyberdrone isn't your average drone. This isn't some clunky quadcopter. No, sir, this is a masterpiece of design, a fusion of that iconic Lamborghini silhouette we all know and love, with sleek, aerodynamic lines that scream cutting edge from every angle. Imagine a Terzo Millennio on steroids, and you're starting to get the picture. The sharp angles, the bold curves, it's pure Lamborghini aggression, but sculpted for the skies. And the color palette, think head-turning radiance that reflects the audacity of this innovation. But the looks are just the beginning. The Lamborghini Turbo Cyberdrone boasts heart-stopping performance. We're talking about turbocharged propulsion, a technology that pushes the limits of speed and agility in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. Get ready for high-G maneuvers, for carving through the air with unmatched precision. This drone isn't just about point A to point B, it's about the pure thrill of flight, the adrenaline rush of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Of course, it wouldn't be a Lamborghini without some serious tech cred. The Turbo Cyberdrone is loaded with next-gen features. We're talking about intelligent flight control systems, autonomous navigation so smart it practically reads your mind, and obstacle avoidance that lets you focus on the joy of the ride, not the worry. Interior. And let's not forget the interior, because even in the skies, Lamborghini believes in comfort and an unforgettable experience. Imagine a high-tech cockpit that wouldn't look out of place in a top-of-the-line Lamborghini sports car. We're talking customizable controls, a sleek interface, everything designed to put you in complete control and make every flight feel like a first-class adventure. The Lamborghini Turbo Cyberdrone is more than a machine, it's a symbol. It's a testament to Lamborghini's legacy of pushing boundaries, its commitment to relentless innovation. It's the future of transportation, the ultimate expression of luxury and performance, taken to the skies in a way that would make even the most legendary Lamborghini driver proud. So, what do you say? Ready to trade the asphalt for the open sky? Let us know in the comments what features of the Lamborghini Turbo Cyberdrone excite you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest from the cutting edge of the automotive world. We'll catch you next time.